Hello, everyone. Welcome to Educational Hub. Research methodology can be one of the most confusing parts of a thesis. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to build a research methodology step by step with a real research example. First, give AI your research topic and objectives, and ask it to recommend an appropriate research design. My research topic is the impact of AI-powered recruitment systems on recruitment effectiveness. The study examines the mediating role of employee trust. Recommend an appropriate research design and explain why. Next, ask AI to help define your target population and sampling strategy. For this study, the target population is HR professionals and employees working in organizations that use AI-powered recruitment systems. Suggest an appropriate sampling technique and explain the choice. Now use AI to select an appropriate data collection method. Suggest an appropriate data collection method for my quantitative study on AI-powered recruitment systems, employee trust, and recruitment effectiveness. Explain why the method is suitable. Next, ask AI to organize your variables and suggest suitable measurement approaches based on previous literature. Independent variable, AI-powered recruitment systems. Mediator, employee trust. Dependent variable, recruitment effectiveness. Moderator, organizational culture. Control variables, age, gender, experience, education, organization size. Now, ask AI which statistical techniques could be appropriate for your research questions and hypotheses. Based on my variables and hypotheses, suggest appropriate statistical techniques for analyzing the relationship between AI-powered recruitment systems, employee trust, recruitment effectiveness, and organizational culture. Don't forget research ethics. Ask AI to help you create an ethics section covering informed consent, confidentiality, voluntary participation, and data protection. Finally, combine everything and ask AI to organize your methodology into a professional academic structure. Using the research information I provided, create a structured methodology outline covering research design, population, sampling, data collection, measurement, data analysis, validity, reliability, and ethical considerations. Do not invent methodological details. Clearly identify areas that require decisions or verification. Remember, AI can help you structure and improve your methodology, but it should not make unsupported methodological decisions for you. Always verify the recommendations with recent literature, university guidelines, and your research supervisor. And that's how you can use AI to build a clear and well-structured research methodology step by step. Remember, AI can save you time, but always verify its suggestions with your research literature, university guidelines, and supervisor. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with another research student. And don't forget to save this video. You can come back to these prompts whenever you're working on your thesis. See you in the next research tutorial.